Yo, what is up, you guys? As you already know, that the AI world is getting so crazy, building sophisticated models every single day that it's just changing how sales prospecting or B2B lead generation or just business in general functions, right? But I just came across something today that really blew my mind away, and I'm pretty sure it'll blow your mind as well. So here's the thing called Manus AI. Think of it as the best possible combinations of all the existing AI tools in the market. So think of it as deep research plus the ability to write code plus GPT operator and every single thing. So yeah, I've been just playing around this platform since a couple of hours. I'm not an expert yet, but I just came across some really cool things that I thought I need to show this to you guys. So, for example, let's say if you're working in lead generation or B2B sales, one very common thing is basically just scraping all the YC backed companies. So, what you'd usually do, you'd just go to the YC startup directory and you'll click. Let's say you want to scrape B2B companies that are also YC backed. What you'll do is you'll just go to the YC startup directory, you'll click on all batches, then you'll click on B2B, and then you'll scroll all the way till the very end and scrape this using instant data scraper, right? But what if you were to hire an assistant to do this, like something like a VA? Now, replace the VA with this intelligent Manus AI. So, this is a conversation I just had with Manus like 38 minutes ago, and I'll show you what it did, how it did, and everything else, right? So, I didn't give like a sophisticated prompt. It was like just a one-liner saying, "Can you scrape my list of all YC funded companies that are B2B?" Yeah, anyways. So, what it really does, it's like it hosts an instance of its computer and manually goes through all the research and then scrapes everything into files and everything and then just puts the data in structured format for you guys, right? I don't really care about the details for now. Let's just see what it gives me. It takes like around a couple minutes to give out the information, but if you just scroll all the way till the very end, it simply gave me like a CSV file, which is super crazy. So this is all the YC backed companies that are B2B, right? So these are all the fields like company name, batch name, status, employees, and the location. So I can just hit download on the CSV, put it directly to Clay or my sequencer or whatever, right? But apart from that, it also gives like a report. So giving a breakdown of what type of companies are these, what are the top locations, and all that statistical things. I don't really care about those. All I care about is a lead list, so I can just blast around. But yeah, anyways. And even beyond this, I was just playing across multiple use cases for Manus, and I just came across something on their website that really blew my mind. Its case, find potential customers. So you often want to be like, yeah, this is what I do. These are my ideal customers. Just give me a lead list, right? This does exactly, but even more. I'll show you in a second, right? So you just prompt in something like, we're a tech consulting firm with in-depth research on technologies, Gen AI field. Please create a potential customer for us. And then it's like the ideal customer profile, like the B2B American companies in development stage before Series B. And then you ask for business introductions, addresses, specific details, and you say make a dashboard, right? You don't ask for a CSV this time. Instead, you ask for a dashboard. And you see on the right here, Manus is doing a bunch of crazy stuff on their instance. But if you just skip to the results, if you go to the very end, you see a B2B AI company's dashboard. This is the craziest thing you'll ever see. Just from this one single prompt of what you do, what type of companies you want to target, this creates this beautiful looking dashboard for your ideal companies, which is like total companies, the companies that are in seed stage, Series A, and the average employees. Then it gives these beautiful statistical charts and graphs. And if you scroll down a little, this is like beautifully formatted data of all the companies that you'd want to work with and, all the details about these particular companies. So it makes me go crazy in terms of how fast B2B lead generation or just AI world is changing. I'll just keep playing around Manus and will surely share something crazy if I came across. Yeah, till then, see you guys soon.